Armed ethnic groups have parceled Manipur into tribal fiefdoms, holding the state economy to ransom. Sana Yaima, leader of the Unlf that represents the dominant Imphal Valley-based Meitei tribe, admits that extortion is common.
There are so many armed groups in Manipur because arms are easily available. If you have 2 pistols, you can form a group and start collecting money from the people.
Behind me are the hill districts of Manipur, which the Nagas consider a part of their idea of a greater Nagaland.
The Nscn-IM's vision of a greater Nagaland clashes with Sana Yaima's agenda for an independent Manipur. Caught between them is the Kuki tribe, who claim the hill districts for a separate Kuki state. Naga groups claimed several Kuki lives in the ethnic wars that followed. The Kukis say that even the Indian army did not help them.
The Indian military was there, but they were never to be seen.
The Kuki National Organization currently has a ceasefire with the army, but in the jungles of southeast Manipur, the Kuki militia continues to train. Along with the Nagas, the Kukis are also deeply suspicious of the Meiteis.
Where was UNLF? Did they ever prevent IM from killing Kukis? Were they able to protect them? If they did, 900 would have not died. 350 villages were uprooted. More than 50,000 have been displaced.
10 years ago, Nam Kholen's family were victims of the Kuki-Naga conflict. He is now a committed Kuki militant.
I love my land and nation, and I cannot tolerate it being oppressed and violated at the hands of other people. That's why I have sacrificed my life and taken up arms.
But Sana Yaima says the ceasefire with the KNO's armed wing is an Indian strategy to keep the ethnic cauldron simmering.
India is very much trying to keep us divided on ethnic lines, pitching one ethnic group against another, the same old divide and rule policy.
This bridge marks the Indo-Myanmar border. The government of India has failed to tap the potential of this highway either to reduce ethnic tensions or enable trade to grow.
In Manipur with VK Shashikumar and Rajesh Bhardwaj, Rohit Khanna. Ethnic battles have divided Manipur.
If you have 2 pistols, you can form a group and start collecting money from the people.
Meitei, Naga and Kuki tribals view each other with suspicion. Watch a CNN IBN special investigation, India's Hidden Wars.